This is Lauren and Marina, and we're going to be doing a visual inspection and a listening check of hearing aids.
We have a behind the ear and an in the ear hearing aid.
So first things first, gloves, infection control.
First, we want to check the battery to make sure that the batteries are working. And I have a size 13 battery.
As do I. Oh no, I have a 675.
And mine is working.
And mine is working as well. Okay.
Next, we're going to take the behind the ear hearing aid and we're going to clean it. My ear mold is already removed.
Yes.
I'm going to first start by cleaning the ear mold to remove any wax or buildup that had occurred. This hearing aid is fairly clean.
I'm going to take my blower, put it in the holes, just to suction anything out of there.
Okay. I'm going to now take the in the ear, not the ear mold portion, and clean that out as well.
And we're going to brush the mold and open up the battery case. Brush in there as well, because dirt could be a cause for malfunction.
Okay.
I'm going to reconnect my tubing. Next, we're going to look at the case of our behind the ear piece, and as you can see, mine is missing a cover for the back. So, I mean, for this purpose it'll work, but we wouldn't want to give it to a client this way.
Mine appears to be completely intact. The battery door is working as okay, and the volume control switch is normal also.
There's no discoloration, there's no impacted cerumen. We are good to go.
I put the battery inside, aligning the positive with the positive.
Right, inside the inside the door,
Yes.
not inside the hearing aid.
And then
You slip it in.
close it.
And make sure that it is on microphone. Okay. Ooh. And you could already hear that as I turn it up.
And
It's whistling. Okay, now we want to turn that down.
I'm going to turn it down to 1 because I don't want to have hearing problems.
We are going to clean our stethoscopes.
And we're going to perform a listening check.
Those of the Ling 6 sounds. We'll put this in our ears. We're going to take the part that goes into the ear,
Lauren is going to do the sound check first so that there's no disturbance.
stethoscope. And I'm going to turn the volume up slowly. Between 2 and 3, I really start to hear it. I'm going to say ooh, ah, e, s, sh, mm. The signal is clear. There's no distortion or static. I hear myself. There's no interference. No. And the intermittency, as I'm turning it up, yep, at about 4, I start to get the feedback, but anything before that, it's going in the right direction. Lower is down, and higher is up. And now I'm turning it down so Marina can do it.
Okay, so I'm going to turn it onto microphone and I'm going to set my volume to about 2. I do hear some static, so I'm going to try turning it down a little bit. Ooh, ah, e, s, sh, mm. The signal is fairly clear. When I turn it up, there is some intermittency and a little bit of static, so I'm just going to turn it down. There is no interference. Everything does sound clear otherwise when it's at about a 1 level. Anything higher, it starts to get a little distorted, the sound. I'm going to take this off.
Okay, and now we're going to start over with our